Hey guys, it's your Mooregirl and welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, how are you doing? Here it's your Mooregirl. I am here doing a haul, guys. I finally have a Goodwill haul. It's a small haul, but yet it's still a haul. And the reason why I decided to do it because it's been forever. It's been like almost a year before I could actually do a Goodwill haul because of course pandemic, everyone's out there shopping. So I have so much competition now. And they're not really having anything. So today is Wednesday, which is like Goodwill Wednesday. And I didn't see anything today. I went today, but I did find a nice item. And what do I do my channel at Goodwill? I always ask you what's your favorite item. Now, one item I did not take off the wall, which would be a lot of people's favorites, but I wanted to show it to you again. And I'll put a clip up there. One item I did from Goodwill that I did a DIY. So hope you catch that video. And it's sort of like I did a DIY. It was a brown more jewelry armor cabinet that I put, in my bedroom, and I turned it from brown, which was really nice, to white, and I will show you clips of that. So that was really, really nice, but I didn't want to take it off the wall again to show it. Plus I have my jewelry in there, so I just wanted to show you that just in case you did not see that video. Alright, so we always start small, and on these projects I'm also going to do some DIYs to it, and I want to show you a little bit of inspiration. And if you're on my Instagram, guys, and my Facebook, you'll know what I'm doing to these finds. I poured out the resin again. Yes, guys, I poured back the resin and did a few resin projects because I want to have some things from a bar cart. So I always show you from small going up, and again, we always ask, what was your favorite item? So the first thing I'm going to do, and this is a collection over months. I just didn't get this in a week. So guys, I'm like you. I can't find anything. Okay, so it's a collection over a month of things that I did find. So I'm going to show you now. Smallest thing first was these cute champagne glasses. Now these glasses, they're actually, I think, IKEA glasses. So I found 4 of these. They had a whole slew of them. And I'm like, okay, so even though it's something so simple, and guys, I always cut glasses that I thought was a really, really cute shape. And these were about $1 each. And the thing is, I had such an inspiration for this when I got this, and I want to show you that project as well. So the first thing I wanted to do is show you the project I did for that, and then at the end I will show you just a sneak peek of the coasters that go on these glasses. Okay, so I will show you the setup at the end of the video if you stay around for the video, and then I will do another one of these and show you how I made coasters with resin. Alright guys, so the second thing I picked was something simple like a vase. So I found some vases there. Again, these were like $1.99, and there's always like 40% off on Wednesday. So I did find some vases. Originally, I was going to do, and I tried one and I didn't like it, etching. So I did get some like etchings, but I did not like the results, so I didn't want to touch this. So I thought this was a really, really cute shape, and I didn't want to mess it up because I was some type of design on it. But when I saw what it did, I just particularly didn't care for it because it was my first time, and I got another vase just to practice on. I didn't like it, so I said I'm going to leave this nice and clear, and this goes on my shoe rack in my entry, and I do have my flowers in there, and I'll also of course show you where I place these things and if I'm doing any design for them. But I kind of like this. It's a really, really pretty vase. Again, I think this was about $2.99 with 40% off, so it didn't cost me much at all, but I thought it was really, really nice. And I just have a couple of my vases just together, and if I decided to practice and get a little better at etching, then I would try to do it again in a sort of some type of floral design or some type of geometric design on this, because I thought it was really nice. But then again, I kind of like it clear. Alright, so the next item I got, again, I didn't have much, was this sign. Now this sign is for a mudroom, huge sign. So what I'm thinking for this one is, of course, to paint the border, because I have nothing in my home that is brown. So I'm going to paint the border. I have to figure out if I want it in the kitchen. If I do it in the kitchen, I'll probably paint this black, and with my Cricut, paint all this white. And then with my Cricut, just do a design over there. Now, I already have a couple designs over the suffix of over the cabinets, the suffix. So I'm not sure if this is going to clash with it. If not, I can put this in the laundry room or do something like that, or put it in the hallway. So I haven't figured it out. This was $14.99, and again, this was half price. So this cost me $7.50. And like I said, it's nothing wrong with it, but of course I don't have a mudroom, so I don't need for it to say mudroom on here. But it's really, really nice. It probably came from, matter of fact, It came from Ashley. Originally, this was $49.99. I don't know what store it came from. It looks like something that was in Hobby Lobby. Okay, again, and it's for the mudroom. So, really nice if I had a mudroom, but of course, guys, you know I don't have a mudroom. Next thing I got, and this I got maybe a couple months ago, and this is a red tag. So, I got this probably half price, not sure. This is a baking stone for pizza. So I really thought this was like in the box, and it is brand new. And I try to find, you know, some of the items that are new in the box, and sometimes I can. It's usually just a hit or miss. I try not to get them kind of used. So this is just, and you can tell here, very nice. It comes with the silver, you know, tray on it, and it's just a stone here. So put this in the oven for your pizza, and of course this is the rack at the bottom of it to let your pizza cool down. So again, this was $5.99. It's from Pizza Craft. It's from Ross, and it originally cost $13.99. So that's not bad for $5.99, probably with a discount from something that you can get from Ross. Again, really, really nice little, it's a pizza with a wire hand frame. Really nice. I haven't used it yet though, but I love these stones. I have an old stone by Pamper Chef that I keep in my oven, and whenever I cook something and I use it, so maybe I'll just replace this with this and not just use it for pizza. So I thought that was, you know, pretty good find as well. Okay guys, again, this is going to be a small haul because, again, I'm sorry I didn't have a lot to show you, but I figured let me show you what I have. Alright, I'm going to show you a before clip of this, and you know how I feel about my silver. I know, Jersey girl, you don't like silver, but one day I will convert you when you get a little older. But once in a while, you know, when I find a good silver piece, and I'm going to show you right here what it looked like before. Of course, tarnish is dirty, filthy, but you have to look beyond any tarnish that you get for silver. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to resin this or just keep it the way it is. I might just keep it the way it is, but let me show you the finished product. All right, you saw the before, and this is the after. See how shiny and beautiful. This is a cottager, of course. Really, really nice. It was a 3-piece. Matter of fact, you saw that they put actually some pepper shakers in the cabinet as well. So this is a really nice, not bad once I cleaned it up. Really, really good. So it didn't take long to clean. And of course, I do have a video on how to clean silver if you have silver. And they put in one of the Pyrex pans. I don't think this went with it because sometimes they'll just piece things together. But still, I could use this just as an oven. This is not bad either. Now, this set cost $29.99. I was eyeballing it for 2 weeks. I refused to spend $30. When I first got the silver at Goodwill a few years ago, they were like $5 to $10, maybe $15. It is ridiculous. And then the bottom tray, absolutely beautiful. How gorgeous is that? Look at the detail. I can tell the Goodwill now because I have gotten so many pieces of this, and sometimes I would resin it when I was doing my resin trays, but I stopped doing resin trays because they found that I was resin trays and they stopped selling it. Okay, so this do have a rustic piece right here. So of course, since the glass is going to be here to serve it, I'm not sure if I'm going to resin this, you know, because it's not going in the oven, and that makes a nice decor. They are pretty when they're resin, and if I do it, I'll probably do like a marble look to it, very natural, and then use it as a serving. Either resin it, because I don't like the little rusted part here. As you can see, it's kind of a little rustic, and I kind of don't like that. You can use it as a serving tray for appetizers. You can put the glass dish back on it, of course. You know, once you make something, lasagna, whatever I cook in here, I can put it, you know, like that. So, of course, or just keep it plain. So I thought this was really nice. And, of course, the tray that goes with it when you put it on top, okay? So, again, this could be one piece. Say if I'm doing something as an appetizer, and this is my meal. Put the lid on there. Put the lid on it like this. Not bad. Or place it here and use all 3 pieces. Not bad for $15. So again, $29.99. Last Saturday, they had a red tag half price sale. So it was still there waiting for me. So I decided to get it, and it was really nice, guys. Not bad at all. So the next item I want to show you is this resin project that I did. And I did it for the bar card, and my inspiration was the champagne glasses, but This here, I found the mold on Amazon, and it is called a wine rack or wine bottle holder. And I just got like my little bottle here that says all you need is love and a bottle of wine. I got this from my daughter. And what you do, I resin this and I did gold trim around it, as you can see. And it has gold in the middle here. So you just place it on your wine bottle. Okay, I'm using my stuff I got from the gallery. And then you just place your wine cups glasses in here. I'm just going to hold it so you can see one on each side, and I'm going to show you here the bar card to see what it looks like. It came out so nice, and I used it with the champagne ones, and I used it also with the wine glasses. So I'm going to keep it with the wine glasses, and what I'm going to do is probably make another sort of tray for the champagne glasses and probably put a bottle of champagne on there. And then the coasters I thought these came out really nice. Their resin is translucent. I just used like a clear here, added white and gold, and I probably do a DIY on how I did these and how I did that as well, because that was a practice and I wasn't quite sure how to do it. And I actually redid it and I didn't record it, so I figured I'm gonna do another one. I'm gonna do a tray and show you the process I did for that. Same thing with the resin, but this time it's with coasters. And then what I'm going to do also is do some coasters for the patio as well, which is sort of the blue, the greens, the yellow. So I did get some alcohol inks. I'm going to play with that for a couple of days, and then I'm going to probably do a video in about a week on that. So, okay, I wanted to show you everything that I got, guys. Let me know what you think. You know, of course, what is your favorite thing? You know. Okay, guys, so that is all for my Goodwill haul today. Again, and a couple little projects I wanted to show you. So, again, what is your favorite thing? Is it the silver tray? Is it these little inspired pieces I got with the glasses? Or is it the jewelry organizers? I really, really, really love the organizer. And I like the fact that now I can find my earrings and some of my jewelry. And I have other places as well that I have jewelry, but I really like that. And again, it fit exactly in the place that I put it, and it goes with my bling, you know, corner in my bedroom. So, all right, guys, so this is your Mooregirl again. I'm going to show you how I did these coasters. I'm going to do a tray, show the bar card, and don't forget, next week, Cinco de Mayo, the day after, is Mooregirl's birthday, the big 6-0. Yes, 6-0. So maybe I'll go on live just to say hi so y'all can wish me happy birthday. All right, guys, I'll see you really soon at the next video. I will see you soon, okay? Guys, again, this is Mooregirl. See you later. Bye.